Did you know that a single BMW car is made up of over 30,000 individual parts? And every single one of them has to be perfectly crafted to create the luxury experience that BMW is known for. Ever wonder how this incredible machine goes from a pile of metal and technology into the sleek, powerful car you see on the road? Well, buckle up, because we're about to take you behind the scenes of the BMW factory, where innovation, precision, and speed come together to build one of the most iconic cars in the world. From the first spark of an idea to the moment the car rolls off the assembly line, each BMW is a masterpiece of engineering and design. Imagine hundreds of robots and skilled workers working in perfect harmony, assembling everything from the powerful engine to the luxurious interior. Let's dive into the BMW factory and uncover the secrets of how these incredible machines are brought to life. Part 1. The foundation of a BMW. From concept to frame. It's the perfect blend of luxury and performance. Designers sketch, model, and test out countless ideas until the car starts to take shape, considering every tiny detail that will make the driving experience stand out. The frame, made of high-strength steel, is built in massive, high-tech machines that weld pieces together with unbelievable accuracy. With over 7,000 welds in a single car, each one must be flawless. It's these welds that create the car's strength and durability, ensuring that a BMW doesn't just look amazing, but can handle the road like a dream. Then comes the body panels, which are created from aluminum and steel. These materials are chosen for their lightweight nature, which helps improve fuel efficiency and performance. Robots work seamlessly alongside workers to shape and install every panel, ensuring the sleek curves of the car come out just right. The car body starts to look like a real BMW now, smooth, sturdy, and ready for what's next. These robots install everything from the car's wiring system to the engine, and even assist with attaching doors and windows. But they're not doing all the work on their own. Skilled technicians double-check every detail, ensuring that everything is fitted perfectly. By the time the car body is fully assembled, it's already starting to show what it's made of. It's a combination of cutting-edge technology, expert craftsmanship, and an attention to detail that is unmatched. It's more than just a car, it's the foundation of something great. Part 2. The heart of the BMW. Building the engine. Now that the body of the BMW is starting to take shape, it's time to focus on what really powers the car, the engine. This is the heart of every BMW, and the company doesn't cut any corners when it comes to creating it. The engine isn't just a piece of machinery. It's the powerhouse that brings the car to life, delivering the thrilling performance BMW drivers crave. The process begins in a specialized section of the factory, where workers and robots collaborate to assemble each engine. BMW's engines are known for their precision and innovation, and every component, from the cylinders to the fuel injectors, is carefully fitted together. Some parts of the process may look like a well-choreographed dance, with robots placing components in perfect alignment while human technicians inspect each part to ensure that everything is flawless. Once the engine block is fully assembled, it's time to add the finishing touches, the cooling system, the exhaust, and the electrical components. These parts are essential to the engine's performance and longevity, ensuring that the engine runs smoothly, stays cool, and performs efficiently. Part 3. The interior. Crafting the luxury experience. While the engine powers the BMW, the interior is what turns the car into an experience, making every drive feel like a moment of pure luxury. Creating the interior of a BMW isn't just about seats and dashboard buttons, it's about designing a space where comfort, elegance, and technology come together in perfect harmony. The process starts with the seats, where workers carefully sew together high-quality leather, stitching every detail with precision. Each piece is hand-inspected to make sure it's flawless. Once the seats are complete, they're carefully placed into the car's cabin. But it's not just about looking good. BMW ensures the seats are ergonomically designed for maximum comfort and support, giving you that luxurious feel when you settle in for a drive. Next comes the dashboard. This isn't just a collection of buttons and dials, it's a tech hub. Engineers install the latest in digital displays, navigation systems, and controls, all designed for an intuitive driving experience. Part 4. The exterior, where design meets functionality. While the interior is all about comfort, the exterior of a BMW is where design meets performance. Every curve, every line, and every angle is carefully thought out to ensure that the car not only looks stunning, but performs like a dream. Part 5. The final touch: testing, quality control, and shipping. First, each car undergoes a test drive. The testing team takes the car for a spin on BMW's private track, checking everything from acceleration and handling to braking and overall driving experience. They push the car to its limits, ensuring that it performs perfectly under any condition. But the testing doesn't stop there. BMW cars are also put through extreme weather tests, where they endure freezing cold temperatures and scorching heat to ensure that they can handle any climate. Once the car passes all tests and checks, it's ready for shipping. The final step is packaging the car for delivery. BMW takes extra care to ensure that every vehicle reaches its destination in perfect condition. Once wrapped and secured, the car is loaded onto a transport truck and sent to dealerships worldwide, ready to be driven by excited customers. And just like that, from a simple idea to a masterpiece of engineering and design, a BMW is ready to hit the road, combining luxury, performance, and craftsmanship in every drive. If you enjoyed this journey, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. See you in the next one.